Rare planes. This E-3 Sentry from NATO. It's flying over Slovakia and it's been doing circles in Poland. The Doomsday plane, or the Boeing 747 E-4B. Flight calibration services. An A380. And then Australia Army Black Hawk. Another Black Hawk. Another Black Hawk. Australia NWSL ambulance. And an Airbus helicopter. Then this air protocol flight is most tracked. And this MD-82, I don't think you can find an MD-82 anywhere. So I think that's why that's rare. This Tel Aviv Sun Door International Airplane. Wait, Sun Door International Airlines from LI. This Aerojet and another Aerojet. And then also, we have a lot of ground to cover. Here are some rares. TC-44 Pegasus, Ghost Hawk, another Ghost Hawk. Ooh, there's a lot of planes. T-6 Texan, and yeah. Hey, the Netherlands Royal Air Force is back and is here. And then this KC-135 Stratotanker, this C-17, and this Stratotanker that's probably going to refuel this soon, but I don't know. And then over here we just got an army of Cessnas, of military Cessnas. I don't know what the T6 Texan, like if I got a 3D view right now. This is the plane. And a bunch, I can see, like, if you were the pilot, you would be able to see all those. If you looked out the window. So, yeah. Same thing we saw last time with the things. And then the Doomsday plane that we saw earlier. And then just 3 helicopters. H-860, so, Payfawk. U-872 Lakatoa. H-860. This jet. And down in San Diego, we have the Nighthawks and Seahawks that we saw. This Los Angeles County Sheriff. This KC-130T. And then also we got this Beach King Air 300. This police helicopter in LA. KC-130J. And then also, I'm just going to scout the area for anywhere. And then we got a P-8 Poseidon. And look, they actually got the plane right this time. It's actually a P-8 Poseidon. Because this is a P-8 Poseidon. Just move out the windows and stuff. that's been flying near no water. So I think that's just the most useless thing I've ever seen a military plane do. Because I don't think planes are supposed. This is the rivet joint. I don't think that plane's supposed to not be flying over water. And then there's this KC-135 Stratotanker. Some more jets. Some Ghost Hawks. Okay. Oh my goodness, we just got an army at this point. A literal army, if that's what we should call it, an army. We got this Ghost Hawk. Jayhawk. H-860. T-6. Eurocopter M865 Dolphin. T-6B. T-6B again. Thrasher helicopter. And another Thrasher. Oh, these are the Thrashers from last time. And yeah. Goodbye.